Chapter 12. Big Fight. Yeah! Are you guys okay? Yeah, I think so. Don't worry, gang. I'll save the day. Hey, you big lungs. Let's go with my friends. All right. You asked for it. Molly used her physokinetic mind powers on the first Sippy Guts. And it was working. But the second Sippy Cup got an idea. Carefully, it aimed his nose. Ow! Oh no! Wally's lab got destroyed. Wally's gonna be mad. Meanwhile, I'll never get it right. But then, hey Chief, nurse lady is on the phone. She says she needs you to go. Come on, Dogman, now's your chance. Oh boy, this is gonna be. Oh no! Oh help! Evacuate the hospital. You fight those Sippy Cups. Good luck, Dogman. So anyway, Robo-Rama. While Dogman duked it out with one Sippy Cup, the other Sippy Cup was bent on destruction. It's gonna destroy the hospital. And there's no time to evacuate. You know what we must do? Yes. Yeehaw! Yeah. But wait. Oh dear. Oh no. Well, I guess we're doomed. Yeah, but it wasn't all bad. At least I got to hold your hand. Woof, 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 woof. What's Dogman barking about? Woof, woof. What do you want, Dogman? Well. You just never know when an umbrella might come in handy.